So there are many reasons why you might close down an investing account. Maybe you want to make a big purchase, you're buying a house and you need money for a down payment. Or maybe you are retiring and you need to withdraw your funds in order to live off of. Maybe you want to transfer to a different brokerage. There's a whole number of reasons why you might want to change. But in this video, we're going to cover exactly how to close your Moomoo account step by step. Now, while it is very easy to close your Moomoo account, you can't actually do it all within the app. But I am going to put a screen share up over here showing you the exact process step by step as we go. So the first thing you're going to need to do is sell all of your assets within Moomoo. You are going to need to sell all your stocks, your options, or any other assets you hold within your Moomoo accounts. Then the next step is going to be to transfer all of that cash to your linked bank account. Okay, you're going to need to remove all of your assets, your cash, your stocks, etc. from your Moomoo account, move all of that money to your bank account so that you have no assets left in your Moomoo account. From there, you're going to send an email to the email address on screen right now, letting them know that you want to close your account and include the reason in that email that you want to close it. So whether you are using those funds for something else, you're transferring to a different brokerage, whatever the reason is, just let them know in that email, and then they will process that account closure for you within just a couple of business days. Now, it's important to keep in mind that although your account will be closed, Moomoo will retain some of your tax records for the IRS. So for example, if in the year you made some money with stocks, you lost some money with stocks, all of that's going to be on record with Moomoo. They're still going to send you your tax documents at the end of the year for the actions that you took during the year. That's still going to have to be reported to the IRS whether your account is open or not, but there's just going to be nothing new added to those records once your account has been closed. Now, if you're thinking about transferring to a different brokerage, there are a ton of different options out there, which is why we put together this video over here that details some of the most popular free investing apps out there and compares them head to head so that you can make the best decision for which one's going to suit you best. So make sure to check out that video over there, and I'll see you in that video.